And the other thing is, I'm thinking of getting a piercing. I'd have to shave some gray chest hair. You got one there and one there, or you just get the one?
No, I just got two. One here, one there.
Okay, now, can I recommend something to the crack training staff for the Mavericks?
What?
They can get some African American colored Band-Aids somewhere, can't they?
You know, Eton Thomas.
Yeah.
And back in the Washington D.C. used to get mad because they didn't have color Band-Aids.
Right, different shades.
I didn't think nothing of it. I'm so but I'm so used to it, and everybody always asks me. You know, Karan just asked me. His son was like, "What did Deshaun have on his throat?" So if they did have it, he wouldn't tell.
Okay, if I had a patch of you in the middle of here, I'd look ridiculous. So I'm telling you, having a patch of me in the middle of you, we should start a business.
Yeah, we should. We should.